As we see AI or artificial intelligence take over more and more of our computers, browsers, search engines, and activities in some cases, we're getting more and more questions about people who have researched something related to trademarks on ChatGPT or another AI resource. And I want to talk today about what you can use ChatGPT for with trademarks and what you should not use ChatGPT for related to trademarks. So AI, like ChatGPT, can be a great resource to brainstorm names. If you give it some ideas, some background about your new product or service or business and the message or vibe that you're trying to convey, and some ideas about what you would like your brand to represent, it can be quite creative at coming up with a list of possible names. However, you need to exert extreme caution because the tool has no idea whether others are using these names or very similar names in a way that could cause an immediate problem when it comes to trademark law, and whether using one of those names that it suggests might just open up a huge can of worms. So it's a good idea to help brainstorm names, but you still are strongly recommended to go through the full search and clearance process with an experienced trademark attorney. It's also okay to ask ChatGPT for resources about trademarks. So you could ask it for information about what makes a strong trademark or what puts a trademark at risk for being canceled. There's a lot of questions that you can ask AI tools. And in fact, we've built our own at chat-tm.com where you can ask it questions. You can ask, this is a great resource, I think. You could ask it in my upcoming meeting about my trademarks with my attorney, what questions should I be thinking of? You could also ask it, if I'm looking into hiring an attorney, what are some things that I should ask my attorney regarding their background or experience? So all of these things can be great because you've noticed I haven't asked it for legal advice. It is not capable today, who knows if it will be sometime in the future, but is not capable today of giving a reliable answer to a specific legal question. And also specifically when it comes to searching a trademark, is this name safe to use? It might give you an answer, but I have no idea where it's getting that answer from, and it is not safe to rely on that answer. So ChatGPT or other AI tools can be an incredible resource when it comes to trademarks, but just be very careful as to the how and why you're going to use it.